We got deep color now. He's swinging out way wide, bro. You got him now.
That's why it's hard to fight this guy. Fucking that backer.
Oh shit, he's hooked in the side, dude.
Is that big?
It's so big. Come on, follow him down. Follow him down.
Bigger than my prom date. Not bad. I'll probably spent.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'd say that's a big one. Yeah. Maybe that one. My God, that's huge.
That fish has a tag in his fin.
Yeah.
Crazy. Hey, look at this.
Yeah! That's bigger. That's a good fish.
What do you think? Hey, what do you think?
I think that's at least 250. 200. It's 200s. 230, 250. I don't know.
I would say at least 230, 240.
It's still a good fish. That's 300.
Hey, what was the length on this? 80 what? 85. 85?
Let me see.